In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and join a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Teams for work, school, or connecting with friends and family, understanding how to navigate the platform is essential. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what happens when you're invited to a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Once an invitation is sent your way, you can easily spot it by going to your chat section. You'll find this conveniently located in the top left corner of your Teams interface. By clicking on the chat icon, you're essentially opening a channel that holds various conversations you're a part of, including your all-important meeting invitations. Once you've accessed the chat area, you'll notice your meeting invite listed there. What you need to do is click on this invite to bring up the details. You'll find information such as the meeting time, agenda, and any other relevant details about the meeting. It's important to review these details so you can be prepared for the discussion. After reviewing the invitation details, the next step is to accept the invite. You can do this with a simple click. By accepting, you not only confirm your attendance, but you also make sure the meeting appears on your calendar within Teams. This can be especially helpful as it acts as a reminder and allows you to manage your time effectively throughout the day. Now, with the meeting invite accepted, let's move on to joining the meeting itself. Head over to the Calendar section, which is also found within Microsoft Teams. This calendar provides a visual view of all your scheduled meetings, making it easy to see your daily or weekly plans at a glance. By clicking on the calendar icon, you'll be presented with your schedule, including the meeting you've just accepted. From here, the process is quite straightforward. Locate the meeting within your calendar and press the Join button. This action initiates the process of connecting you with other participants in the meeting. Joining a few minutes early is often a good practice. It allows you to troubleshoot any technical issues that might arise with audio or video settings, ensuring you're ready to participate fully when the meeting starts. And just like that, you're now logged in and ready to join any meeting on Microsoft Teams. With these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate through the platform and ensure that you're prepared and on time for all your virtual gatherings. Whether it's for business, education, or catching up with friends remotely, mastering these basics will undoubtedly enhance your team's experience. I hope this guide makes your Microsoft Teams navigation a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.